Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi A5 key battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Additionally, a small flathead screwdriver will be necessary for opening the key fob. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small and delicate. This simple process takes only a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. First, find the small release button on the side or back of your Audi A5 key. Press this button and slide out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob should separate with minimal effort, revealing the internal components and the old battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side faces upwards. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing up. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, ensuring they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test your key's functionality by trying to lock and unlock your Audi A5. It should work perfectly, restoring full remote access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.